Hi everyone, welcome to another hair video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification buttons. Have another Amazon package from Flotighair. So we'll be trying out some passion twist hair. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. This has been the best passion twist hair I have ever tried. Like, what? Here's all the things you need. Oh, and you'll also need some shine jam and some rubber bands. I forgot to record that earlier. And some braiding hair. So I've already pre-parted everything already. I'm getting really better with my parts. I'm really getting proud of myself. So what you're gonna do first is separate 3 of the passion twists. Take your crochet tool, crochet it in, and then after that you go ahead and crochet in your braiding hair. Sorry about that. But yeah, I saw this hairstyle and I've always wanted to try it. I wanted to kind of do like a boho look, and I was kind of really just tired of doing passion twists on my hair, and I'm like, let me just do some big passion braids with braiding hair, and we're gonna use the rest of the passion twists that I'm gonna have left over as like boho strands to just crochet it into each braid. So I think with the passion twist and the braiding hair, it really gives the braid that boho kind of messy look. Like, I didn't want it to be all straight like a box braid. I wanted it to look a little bit curly. So what I saw a few YouTubers do were basically just kind of pull apart the hair. I wanted mine a little bit tight because, you know, I wanted to get through the work week and yada yada, and so that explains why everything's like still kind of, you know, a little bit put together. But honestly, I've gotten a lot of compliments with this hairstyle, and I'm actually really happy that I actually tried it. This is definitely not a long hairstyle to even do. It literally only took me about 3 to 4 hours. The parts were not that big either. They were kind of medium to large size passion braids. So yeah, it was really good. And then the next day I added in the boho curls from the passion twist, and whenever they get old I just replace them with new ones. So it's kind of like whatever you want to your liking to put in, how many twists that you want to give that boho look. But like I said, it's whatever you want, whatever you're comfortable with, whatever looks good, whatever you feel looks good for you. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up for a little bit and just let you guys like watch the process of this. And boom, we're on to the last braid. I was so excited. Let me tell you guys, I ended up taking a nap. I don't know why I did so, but in theory, it really does just take 3 to 4 hours to do this. I just knew it wasn't gonna take long, so I'm just like, I'm just gonna take a little nap really quick. I wasn't doing anything, like, why not? But yo, these look so pretty. My party could just be a little bit better in the back, but honestly, I'm not even mad. Like, I'm just so proud of the fact that I even did it. The length was perfect down to my butt, and now we're onto the edges. So you know you gotta swoop the edges in, gotta make them look wavy. Like I said, if you watch all of my hair videos, I'm definitely a big fan of wavy edges, you know, kind of looking like water. So yeah, maybe I should do a tutorial on how to do my edges. What do you say? So here's the finishing touches of everything. I'm gonna insert the TikTok right here. Follow me on TikTok. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you try it. This definitely looks good too if you pull it back with like a half up, half down. And yeah, that's the end. Make sure you guys subscribe again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.